Welcome to Audio Books feature by Cloud Expert. Today we'll be talking about Azure Blob Storage Access Tiers. Azure Storage offers different access tiers, which allow you to store blob object data in a cost-effective manner. The available access tiers include Hot, optimized for storing data that is accessed frequently. Cool, optimized for storing data that is infrequently accessed and stored for at least 30 days. Archive, optimized for storing data that is rarely accessed and stored for at least 180 days with flexible latency requirements on the order of hours. The following considerations apply to the different access tiers. Only the hot and cool access tiers can be set at the account level. The archive access tier isn't available at the account level. Hot, cool, and archive tiers can be set at the blob level during upload or after upload. Data in the cool access tier can tolerate slightly lower availability, but still requires high durability, retrieval latency, and throughput characteristics similar to hot data. For cool data, a slightly lower availability service level agreement (SLA) and higher access costs compared to hot data are acceptable trade-offs for lower storage costs. Archive storage stores data offline and offers the lowest storage costs but also the highest data rehydrate and access costs. Let's understand about hot access tier. The hot access tier has higher storage costs than cool and archive tiers, but the lowest access costs. Example usage scenarios for the hot access tier include, data that's in active use or expected to be accessed read from and written to frequently. Data that's staged for processing and eventual migration to the cool access tier. Let's understand about cool access tier. The cool access tier has lower storage costs and higher access costs compared to hot storage. This tier is intended for data that will remain in the cool tier for at least 30 days. Example usage scenarios for the cool access tier include, short-term backup and disaster recovery datasets. Older media content not viewed frequently anymore but is expected to be available immediately when accessed. Large datasets that need to be stored cost-effectively. Let's understand about archive access tier. The archive access tier has the lowest storage cost, but it has higher data retrieval costs compared to the hot and cool tiers. Data in the archive tier can take several hours to retrieve. Data must remain in the archive tier for at least 180 days or be subject to an early deletion charge. Example usage scenarios for the archive access tier include, long-term backup, secondary backup, and archival datasets, compliance and archival data that needs to be stored for a long time and is hardly ever accessed. Great! Now you've learned the Azure Blob Storage Access Tiers. Hope you enjoyed it. For more audiobooks, please visit to Cloud Expert category or subscribe to our monthly plan. Hey, don't forget to rate our app and share it with your friends. Have a nice day.